guys, we're ready for week 7. We're going to start off with our warm-up, which is going to be 3 rounds of 10 reps of each of these movements. You're going to start off with a jumping jack, just the standard typical, and then move on into an air squat. Get those legs a little bit hip distance or wider apart, and you're going to send your hips back, chest stays up, and you really get to the bottom of that squat. Just get a little deeper with each round that you go. Then you're going to do alternating reach lunges. You can lunge forward or backwards, whatever. Just bring that opposite hand. Really get that stretch along the side, going in both directions. So 10 of those, that'll be 5 each leg. Then you're going to do what I call yogi squats. You're going to reach up in the air, forward fold down, grab those big toes, hit the bottom of that squat, hands up. Then high knees, you can start by, hugging those knees into your chest, and then pick up the speed with the high knees. Same with your butt kickers, start off slow by getting that quad stretch, and then you can speed it up and get that faster speed butt kicks. Your circuits for today, all 3 circuits are 4 time, so you want to get all of these movements done as quickly as possible. And you're going to do 12 reps of each movement 4 times, and you're going to rest 15 seconds between each of those rounds. So you're going to complete all of one movement and then move on to the second or third or fourth movement. So the first movement you're going to do is TikTok lunges. You're going to do right side first, so keep that left leg stationary. You're going to hit that reverse lunge, and you just go back and forth on that. Then you'll do the same thing on the left leg, keeping that right leg stationary, hit that reverse lunge, and then the forward lunge. And then you're going to do ninja burpees. So with ninja burpees, instead of coming all the way up, you just kind of stay in that low squat. Bring those hands to heart center. And then lastly, glute bridges. Shoulders are going to be pinned to the ground. Heels are going to drive those glutes up off the ground. Really squeeze at the top and lower down slowly. You'll rest 3 minutes and then move on to circuit number 2, which you're going to do the same kind of rep scheme as you did in the first one, starting off with squat kicks. So we're going to couple an air squat with a kick. And the first round is just right leg kicks. So 12 of those. Then you can move on after your rest with the left leg kicks. Remember, each time send those hips back, keep that chest up. Then we're going to do power jacks, legs wide, squat. And then lastly, 2-step shuffles. It's been a while since we've done these, but it's exactly what it sounds like. Give yourself some room. You're just going to take 2 steps, back and forth. That's your 2-step shuffle, okay? Each of those 4 movements, 4 times each, 15 seconds of rest in between each of those sets. Rest 3 minutes, and then you're ready for circuit number 3. You're going to do right leg lunge pulses. So with that, left leg is going to be stationary. You can go reverse. Let's just go ahead and go reverse on this. And you're just going to touch that knee to the ground. No propping your body up like this. Keep those arms right here in front of you and do lunge pulses. To do the left leg, that right leg's going to stay stationary. The left leg's going to go behind you, and same thing. Keep those hands, no propping yourself up. Then we have burpee jacks. So you're going to hit a jack at the top. On your burpee, your legs are going to go wide, back into the middle, jack at the top. So that's burpee jack. The last movement of the circuit is alternating step-ups. So grab a chair, a couch, a stool, whatever, something sturdy, and you're just going to do alternating step-ups. With this, again, use your arms to drive you up. No pushing off your knee like this, okay? So just, and really go ahead and follow through at the top with that knee drive, and just switch every rep. So that is your alternating step-ups. You'll rest. If you want to rest 3 minutes after that, that's fine. If you want to just go straight into the cool down, you're going to do a standing quad stretch, both on the right side and the left side. And then you're going to do the standing calf stretch. So put that foot up, bring those toes towards your body, really stretch through that on both sides. Your IT band, take one foot in front of the other, like it's kind of a curtsy, and just kind of bend the opposite way on both sides. And then lastly, figure four. You're going to lie down for this one. Make a 4 with your legs. Put your arms through and pull that leg towards your chest. You should get a real nice stretch along there. Alright, that is week 7, day 1, which is our lower body focused.